Realize as he was there in San Francisco playing street music, he says he caught 4 buses, walked up 4 hills, 4 flights of stairs, and when he got up to his apartment in San Francisco, he realized the heater in his apartment wasn't working. And he said it was at that point that he had a thought in his head that an island boy belongs on an island. And so at that moment, he penned a letter to his sister, actually, and this song was born out of that letter. And it's a song that really has been performed many times by many people. And it's about the place that we both grew up in. Although the kahalu'u I grew up in is a little different than his kahalu'u. When I talk to him about things that, I try to tell him, oh, by this place. He's like, no. Like your Kahalu Elementary. And he'll say, never have that. That was all bushes when I was young. So anyways, long story short, his kahalu'u was pretty much bushes. And mine has gas stations and stuff.
Actually, this mele really speaks about connecting to those places in the heart and the foundations that we stand on. As I look out into the audience, I see many of the places that have given birth to the spirits of the people that I see in front of me. And some of you even came from Ko'olaupoko, because I can see some of Calvin Ho and his Wana out there. Waiahole is still holding strong to its way of life. I remember days when we were younger. We used to catch a walk in the mountain stream. Round the Ko'olau hills we ride on horseback. So long ago it seems it wasn't real. Last night I dreamed I was returning, and my heart called out to you. But I fear you won't be like I left you. Niki aloha ku me o kaharu. I remember days when we were wise, when our world was small enough for dreams, and you, Evelyn, were there, my sister, and I no longer can, it seems. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you. But I fear I am not as I left you. Niki aloha ku me o kaharu. not be denied. It can help you find yourself or make you lose your pride. Move with its morning is on the road we go. Please do not hold on to me, we all must go alone. I remember days when we were smiling, when we laughed and sang the whole night long, and I will greet you as I find you, where the sharing of bright new soul. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you to please accept me as you find me. Neke aloha ku meo kahalu, Neke aloha ku meo kahalu, Neke aloha ku meo kahalu. Aki aku e ho'opo mai kai au ko apa mai te aloha tau mai.